Good morning everyone, Mr. Mitchell here. I'm recording this on March 17th as a quick demo video to show both staff and students how to be registering their COVID-19 home testing kit from now on. So students during the day, by the end of the day, will have received their home testing kit. Staff already have them. And today you will have received in your co.uk inbox if you're a student, or your henrycourt.org email inbox if you're a member of staff, an email that looks a little bit like this. And these are timed to come out to everyone now on a Wednesday and Sunday. Once you get the email and you're at home and you're able to do the test and have your result, click on the log into your account and you'll go through to a page that looks a little bit like this. We're using a service called the testregister.co.uk. And this will allow us to hopefully automate this process as much as possible. So every Wednesday and Sunday for staff and students, you'll get this email. And I do suggest you set yourself a reminder on your phone. That's why I'm recording this on my phone, because I think by and large most people will use their phones to record this. Click on Submit Test Result. You can see there it's defaulted to the date, the current date. And this is where you're going to need to enter the number that is on everyone's test strips that you've got given to you, either students today or staff previously. So you'll have the opportunity here to type in that full, it's usually a 13-digit number. You've got a little prompt there to tell you what they look like. So it usually starts with an L and an F, and maybe a T, and then a few numbers. I'm just going to put in some random one there for demonstration purposes. Scroll down and you can see there the next and arguably the most important thing for us to know is if it's negative, positive or void. Vast majority of our students have come back negative. We've had a few voids, and if we do get repeated voids from students or staff testing from home, we can track that and we'd ask you to then come into college and test. So please bear that in mind. And of course, positive tests, the serious situation when that occurs will be rapidly informed using this app if that's the case, and we can look at doing some contact tracing there. The last steps for you to go through, at least on this app, is to click I agree and submit results. And here is where you'll be taken through to step 2, which is then to tell the NHS what those results are. Unfortunately, this system does not talk to the NHS. The NHS has their own separate system. And if you're 13 or older, so those that are 11 will need a parent, 11, 12 will need a parent to support them and help them with this. But here is where you click on Submit Results to co.gov.uk. And you can scroll down and start that process. I strongly encourage everyone to be using an account with the NHS. You can log in without an account, but it is quicker to create an account. And as I said, people under the age of 13 would need a parent to help them with that. I'm not going to go and log in with my own credentials, but this is fairly straightforward a process. Please make sure you put in those details. Our centre testing ID, if asked for it, is TDAS, but you could just search for Henry Court and it would also come up. That's TDAS for our centre number. Hopefully that's all pretty straightforward, guys. Last but not least from me, this system will also notify us if staff or students haven't submitted those results. So it may well be the case that the school has to phone or contact parents or staff members to make sure that gets logged. It is a legal requirement to ensure that those results go on the NHS and that we're informed. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers. Bye.